I'm going to check on you. It's the reason I get paid. So will you please provide your license, registration, and insurance, ma'am? Will you please provide me with your ID, ma'am?
This is not a traffic stop, and you're not issuing a citation.
Ma'am, so you're still as cooperative as you've always been, right, ma'am?
Yep.
Wonderful. I can't have you standing right here, ma'am.
It's a public sidewalk.
You're interfering with the investigation, ma'am.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Have a nice day, Mr. Defendant.
Be careful, ma'am.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On January 14th of 2023, Kendra Owen was driving for Uber and had marked herself as available and had parked near downtown Evansville in Indiana to wait for a customer. She watched videos on her phone with the engine running because of the freezing temperatures, when Officer Matt Taylor parked behind Kendra and 30 seconds later activated his emergency lights. Officer Taylor then ran her plates, despite Kendra having parked legally. Dispatch told the officer that the registered owner of the vehicle was Miss Owen, and that there was an alert on her because she was a First Amendment auditor and had been seen acting suspiciously at various locations in 2017 and 2018, and that during those occasions several years ago, she refused to identify and was uncooperative. After receiving that information, Officer Taylor approached Kendra's vehicle.
Recording. Yeah. Dispatch recording.
Your license on you?
Sorry?
Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'm parked.
Yes, ma'am. You're also parked outside of a bank with your vehicle running and just kind of random, so just checking on the area.
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have your license on you, please?
This is not a traffic stop.
No, ma'am, it's an investigatory stop.
Okay, whatever do you think.
Can I see your license, please? And actually, you're operating a motor vehicle, so I can ask for your license, registration, and insurance. You're sitting in the driver's seat for the vehicle? Yes, ma'am. And if everything is okay, I will send you on your way, but at the same time, I'm going to check on you. It's the reason I get paid. So will you please provide your license, registration, and insurance, ma'am?
I am parked. This is not a traffic.
Ma'am, under Indiana law, if you're in the driver's seat and the vehicle's operating, it is considered operating the motor vehicle. So please, will you provide your driver's license, registration, and insurance? If we don't want to do that, then I can ask you to step out of the vehicle because under state law, I'm allowed to do that.
Officer Taylor's assertion is correct, if only this had been a lawful traffic stop. However, an officer cannot detain you and demand your ID just because you are legally parked or operating a vehicle. There's also nothing illegal or even suspicious about parking in front of a bank. And despite his assertion, at no point did Officer Taylor inquire as to why Miss Owens was parked there. Officer Taylor now orders Kendra out of her vehicle and unlawfully pats her down, though there was no lawful reason to do so.
Will you please provide me with your ID, ma'am? Sam 31, start me another car, please. Do me a favor, turn around and face the vehicle for me, please.
Oh, sorry.
Turn around and face the vehicle, put your hands on the vehicle. Anything that's going to poke me, hurt me, stick me, anything like that. Okay. Step to the back of the vehicle, please. What is your name, ma'am?
I'm not giving you an ID. I was legally parked on a public street.
Is your vehicle registered to you, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Can I have your name, please?
No.
Do me a favor, have a seat right there on the curb for me.
Well, I can't sit down, so I'm happy to do this. That's the best I can do.
Do you have insurance for the vehicle, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
Do you have insurance for the vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, I do. And we both know they'll tell you that when you
Sam
run the
31,
tag.
okay. Yes, ma'am, she's still that way. Can you run 738 David Tom Lincoln for me, please? I'm clear. Do me a favor, just stay right there for me, okay? Who's your insurance through, ma'am?
Eric.
Who's your insurance through, ma'am?
State Farm.
State Farm? Okay, is it in the vehicle? Proof of insurance?
It's on my phone.
It's on your phone? Is your phone in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Where's it at? I'll get your phone for you and you can show me proof of insurance, ma'am.
This is not a traffic stop, and you're not issuing a citation.
Ma'am, I've gone through this before. Either A, you can provide proof of insurance, or I will tow the vehicle and
What
write you.
infraction do you suspect me of committing? I was legally parked on a public street.
Ma'am, your vehicle was operating. You were in the driver's seat. Therefore, I can ask you for license, registration, and insurance. Okay. So you're still as cooperative as you've always been, right, ma'am?
Yep.
Wonderful.
Officer Taylor turns off his body cam for about 10 minutes. When it is reactivated, he has for some reason decided to tow Kendra's vehicle and thoroughly searches through the car for an inventory. None of the other officers on scene put an end to the unlawful detention, search, or seizure of Kendra or her property. In fact, they assist Officer Taylor.
Let me see anything. Let me see anything that's a weapon. I got the pepper spray. That way I'll give her a chance to come get her property if she wants.
And of course, the unlawful search turns up nothing, though Kendra had proof of insurance on her phone, and despite Officer Taylor never witnessing her operate the vehicle, he wrote her a citation for operating a vehicle without proof of responsibility.
Hey, what's my ticket for?
Ticket is for operating a motor vehicle without insurance. You have a court date up.
Nothing driving. Just.
I'm sorry?
All right.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay.
Have a nice day, Mr. Defendant.
Be careful, ma'am.
After the vehicle was towed, the officers left Kendra alone in 24-degree weather with no coat, as she waited for 40 minutes for her son to pick her up.
There you go, ma'am. This information about the tow fee. The tow, so you are. Have a good day, ma'am.
Somebody will be paying, so.
Okay. I need you to leave the area, ma'am. Ma'am, if you want, you can go over into that parking lot, or you can go back over there, but I can't have you standing right here, ma'am.
It's the public sidewalk. Block my ass up.
You can walk over there, ma'am, or you can walk over there.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm standing on a public sidewalk.
You're also interfering with the investigation, ma'am.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm game. Go for it. In for a penny, in for a pound. You might as well go for it.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
I will, thank you, ma'am. Do you have somebody coming to get you?
Yes, I do. Goodbye.
Wonderful. I'll stay right here. I'm gonna wait till the vehicle gets towed, ma'am.
The next day, she paid $235 to retrieve her vehicle. Shortly after, the Vanderburgh County prosecutor dismissed the citation. A lawsuit was filed by the ACLU on March 16th of 2023, prompting the department to release this body cam on Facebook. In the post, the department declares that they support the officer's actions. Worse yet are the scores of people commenting that they also have no clue about their own individual rights. Let me know what you think of this interaction down below. And as this lawsuit moves forward, I will certainly let you know how it turns out.
Recording.
Thanks, gentlemen.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.